there a reason why you're coming over here?
No, I'm just admiring it. It's a nice car. See the wheels? Real nice. Just admiring it.
And you can keep on going then.
Hey, it's not illegal to be in a public space.
Go ahead and start me a tow, please. I'm at Target for a black Honda Civic.
Look how nice and shiny this dude's wheels are. This thing looks slow, man. You waiting for something?
Towing the car.
Why?
Because it's got no plates and the VIN's covered. Not yours, huh? No idea?
Look at me like I'm doing something wrong.
You're chilling in a public spot, man. You can do whatever you want.
I know.
Cool.
Man, this cop's trying to tow this random dude's car. What a shame.
Yep, what a shame.
It's gonna be real expensive for that guy.
Yeah, I guess so.
You wanna get your nasty ass shoe off that rim?
Is this your car, man? Removing the VIN. But you shoved the paper in the VIN. I can't read the VIN. It's got no plates, so I'm assuming it's stolen. So per RCW, I gotta seize it, get a search warrant, remove that, and read the VIN.
Hear me out. Is there a black two-door Honda Civic with white wheels and a aftermarket wing reported as stolen?
There's 1,000 stolen cars a month in Pierce County, bud.
The answer
and this is the most common stolen vehicle in Pierce County.
The answer is, why don't you just uncover it yourself?
I can't. It's inside the car.
What a shame.
What a shame.
What a shame.
So if this is your car, we can go ahead and solve this crisis, but if you're not going to claim ownership of this, then just...
Why would I claim ownership of a car that's got a cop that's 100% going to hand out tickets?
Right. That being said, it's going to come to the Gay Car Police Department. We're going to go ahead and seize it on a search warrant.
Seize it on a search warrant for what? What are you searching it for?
To uncover the VIN.
For what? Do you have any suspicion of it being stolen other than no plates and a covered VIN?
Absolutely.
What's your suspicion of it being stolen, officer?
Hey man, is this your car or what? Dude, you're making this so much harder than it needs to be.
You're f***ing towing it for no reason. You got your nasty ass shoe on the f***ing wheel.
Yeah?
Get your f***ing shoe off the wheel.
Is this your car?
You're being disrespectful to whoever's f***ing car it is.
Okay, you need to back off my face over there.
I'm not in your face. You just stuck your f***ing hand in my face.
Bud.
Chill. Get your f***ing... Why is your foot on the wheel? Why are you doing that? You're literally doing that to piss me off for no f***ing reason.
Because your car?
Doesn't matter.
Is this your car or what?
You're gonna scratch those f***ing wheels and have to pay for them.
Yeah. All right, go ahead and walk over
I don't know what policy is. Your department's probably gonna have to pay for these $1,000 wheels.
Yeah, go ahead and walk over there, bud.
Keep your f***ing hand out of my face.
Walk over there.
Keep your f***ing hand out of my face.
Walk. Walk. Get out of my face. Go.
You're walking in my face.
Go before you get...
Don't f***ing touch me.
Go.
I'm not doing
shit. Off my scene. Get away from my car. Go.
This ain't your car.
Go.
Your car's back there.
I'm getting here for a search warrant. Start moving.
You are approaching me. You are getting in my face.
Move back.
Get your f***ing hand off me.
Stay in the car.
Don't. Keep your mother-f***ing hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Keep your mother-f***ing hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Off the car? You're the one that was on the f***ing car. I ain't touching it. I'm off the car.
Back up.
I'm f***ing back.
Okay. Back up.
Start recording this. Touch me again, motherfucker. Come push me.
Back off.
Come push me. You pushing me for no goddamn reason. You're putting your hands in my face.
Yep.
I kept my phone back respectfully. I wasn't sticking it in your face. I got your name and that was it. What's your badge number?
117. So like I was saying, this car is coming to the Gay Car Police Department. If you're not going to claim ownership of it, what's going to happen is we're going to get a search warrant.
You're shoving me. Why would I want to make it easy on you?
Okay. Anyways, we're going to get a search warrant to remove the cover from the VIN. And if it comes back stolen, we'll deal with it. If not, we'll come back to the last person who has ownership, give them the call to come pick it up. If that ain't you, you ain't getting the car back. All right?
Sick.
Cool.
So, I'm just going to repeat what you said real quick to make sure I understand.
Yep.
Okay. You are going to get a search warrant.
Yep.
Which means you call whoever you have to call, and then they say, yes, you can open the door, move the piece of paper, correct?
Correct.
Or do you have to tow it first?
Gotta tow it first. Per an RCW, sir.
So, I think I'm gonna visit you down at the department, and I'm gonna actually get a supervisor down here. Since you were shoving me for no reason.
Yeah.
Get your come on, call a supervisor.
Yeah. I could do that for you, but first I'm gonna need you to back away from the vehicle.
No, I'm gonna need you to call a supervisor.
Well, I ain't gonna help you out right now.
You are legally required to call your supervisor if requested.
Not correct.
Get your supervisor down here.
I will when you back up.
I have not committed any crime. I am back. Okay. You shoved me back. I am back.
So here's what's gonna happen. One, I'm not going to do your request until I get a second unit down here because I'm guarding the door from you getting in it. That's why I'm pushing you back away from it, because you keep trying to get near the door. Two, when a second unit comes here, I will call you a supervisor. But until I get a second unit down here, you're not getting a supervisor.
Are you serious?
I'm absolutely serious.
There's your second unit. Call a damn supervisor. Oh, what? You could stand still and call the supervisor, but you can't do it because you're standing in front of a door.
Yeah.
Oh, all of you guys. You guys got nothing better to do than harass me for no damn reason.
Yeah.
Look at this dumbass. He doesn't even know how to park a car. Are you f***ing serious? Are you f***ing serious?
Anyways, he says it's not his car, but he's acting like it's his car.
This stupid motherfucker just ran into my car for no. Are you f***ing serious?
Come here. So now it's your car, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, listen.
Arrest me.
So it's a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN like that. You understand?
I literally just got it back.
Okay, let's go ahead and see some ID now.
I don't have my wallet or anything.
Okay, what's your name?
For what? What crime have I?
It is a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN.
I'm not the one that covered it.
It's your car, right?
Car, right?
What's your name?
Cody.
Cody what? Cody, what's your birthday, Cody?
2005.
What's the rest of your birthday?
Oh, you What?
Cody.
In my car! What do you mean what?
Continue?
Continue what? I'm not committing a crime. Raising my voice is not committing a crime.
Cody, you're being detained. You're not free to leave. Hey, Doug.
Good. Hey, thanks for your service.
Yeah, no problem. I'm a little busy right now, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, I imagine you're a Trump supporter?
No comment.
All right.
He wanted to talk to you, but I think you already got that far.
Yeah. Is that my ticket?
No, this is the law in which we are seizing your vehicle for. So you're not getting this back. We are seizing it. We are going to uncover the VIN with a search warrant. We'll give you a call back if need be, but you're free to go from here. If it comes back stolen, you've been contacted for stolen vehicle in the past. We know where to come find you. Yes, you have. I looked up the report.
No, I haven't. For what?
For black Honda Civic from Pierce County.
Okay, that I can actually. 1 second, I will call you right back. Check my center console. I give full consent.
Going in there without a search warrant.
There is a business card from an officer.
Yeah.
I got pulled over. The officer said it was coming up as stolen. By the way, did not hit my car when he did that. Okay. He said the car's coming up as stolen. This was right after I purchased it from an auction. They called. And I don't know who they called. I'm not a cop. Okay. They called, got it cleared up. That was this car. It was previously stolen, got towed. The title got written over to the tow company, and then I purchased it from an auction. So no, I have not been contacted about a stolen car.
Listen, I'm just going this route, all right? That's the route we're going to go with. You could have cooperated about 20 minutes ago when you walked up.
Suck my
all right.
It's stupid. Hit my car, and now it's getting towed. Hey, who's towing it?
Town and country?
Oh, that's
As the tow truck arrives, the suspect's stepfather arrives on scene, and he quickly becomes a suspect himself.
Okay, let go. Okay, we're towing the car. I need you to back off. Because the VIN's covered. Back
I'm
up.
on f***ing...
Okay, that's great. The tow truck is coming right here. I need you to move. Back up.
You don't need to touch me.
Get away.
Hey, he was having the same issue touching me.
Go.
I'm asking a motherfucking question, okay?
The tow truck is blocking. You're blocking the tow truck. Go.
Don't f***ing touch me, dude.
Go.
He's touched me f***ing multiple times. Don't f***ing touch me.
Get out. Okay, turn around.
I'm trying to figure out what the purpose is for you guys
nothing to do with you. You're under arrest this time.
Oh, shit. Sorry, Dad. You're good, dude. Don't sweat it.
Is he being arrested or detained?
Yes, he's being arrested. You got anything illegal on you?
Do I what?
Anything illegal on you? Any drugs, contraband, weapons?
I have a torch in my pocket.
Torch. So real quick, you're being audio and video recorded. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand all that?
Yes.
What's your name?
Justin.
Justin.
Yeah.
What's your relationship here?
It's my stepkid.
Stepkid.
Yes.
Okay, all this could have been simply avoided just by uncovering a VIN and explaining why the VIN's covered. Now we gotta seize it because we have to think it's stolen. The VIN's covered, it's got no plates. What I tried to explain, why it getting towed.
Still in it?
There's no plates on it.
In the trunk. There's not a plate in the trunk.
No.
Okay? It's a Honda Civic. Look at me, Justin.
I know. I work
It's a Honda Civic, right? Most commonly stolen vehicle. Yes, yes. See? Shake up and down. All this could have been avoided with just a little bit of cooperation. Now, when I tell you to get out of the way, the tow truck's coming because I got to seize this vehicle, you need to get out of the way. Not sit here and keep arguing with me, blocking the tow truck and blocking me from doing my job. That's why you're under arrest.
Answer my question.
Why is the car getting towed?
Yeah.
Because the VIN is covered.
Okay, well, was that really that hard to say?
Is that my job to explain to you? Why are you here?
Have fun explaining this to my sister. The fact that I'm not making my flight now.
Come on over here. I thought you looked familiar. You've been staying out of trouble for a while. Section, I got one customer. Is he gonna make it? Sitting there talking to the guy. Hey, man, this is your car. Yeah. Just cover the VIN, man. Yeah. Hey, stay away from the tow truck driver.